Guess what time it is, y'all? Yes, we are back for season 2 of What's Up Wednesday. And the students have moved back. We're back on track. We're back on campus. And they are already getting started. So let's see what they're doing. Welcome back, y'all, for season 2. Are you excited to be back on campus?
I'm excited to be back on campus.
He's excited, y'all. Why are you excited?
I'm excited to graduate.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, and I'm excited to get back to I love my major. I'm a political science major, and there's so much going on. So
Love it.
I like talking, and I'm excited to talk.
What's up on this Wednesday for you?
Not much. I just got out of class. I have 3 classes.
You have 3 classes back to back. Is that a lot? Okay, no, come on, you can do it.
That's not a lot.
I got a lot of work going on, but we're making it work.
This is beautiful. Talk to us up. I am loving this. You came suited and ready. It doesn't get better than this, y'all. In the suit, on the scooter, making it happen. What's up on this Wednesday?
My Wednesday has been good so far.
Okay.
I had my first class. My next is at 4:30.
What was your class? Come on. What you studying?
Marketing.
Marketing. Oh, I'm loving this. This is marketing.
Hello. So my name is Quader Hopkins, currently at Delaware State University.
Yes.
And, so far it's been a good semester. I can't really complain.
Got started.
Class started at 4:30. So
Oh, you better hurry up.
yeah, I'm about to prepare. That's why I got the scooter.
Got the scooter,
Yeah, I
y'all.
got the scooter. Yeah, I'm on it today. It's been a good one since I've been here. It's been a blessing being here.
Being a blessing.
I cannot
Yes.
complain. It's just a great community, and
same type of deal going on.
Same
Just trying
type
to
of deal. Mhm.
make sure I've got everything I got to do.
You feeling
down.
good?
Yeah.
You feeling good. First week.
Yeah,
Come on now.
I'm excited.
So right now, I'm going to a meeting. I'm Miss NCNW, so we are planning
Ooh.
NCNW events. So that's what I'm going to go do.
Fantastic. Well, we are so proud of you. Happy to have you back. Keep doing the great work that you're doing. Okay?
I did miss Fried Chicken Wednesday, but it's okay.
We missed Fried Chicken Wednesday, y'all. Okay, did you make it to Fried Chicken Wednesday?
Yes, I made it. I made sure to make it soon.
Was it good?
It was good.
It was
really
good? Okay.
This Wednesday is a pretty good Wednesday. I actually went to financial aid and housing. They were being a very good help to me. Moving day is
Yes.
Saturday. Was that? Yeah, it was Saturday.
Yes,
so
this weekend.
yeah, I'm a new RA, so I'm just trying to make sure I got all my stuff handled for the school. Everything's going pretty well. Put on the suit today, just look professional.
I'm doing homework.
You're doing homework?
I'm taking a nap.
He's taking a nap, y'all.
We getting the classes and we making it snappy.
There you go. Getting the classes and making it snappy. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking care of our students. And that's what's up on this Wednesday.
Thank you so much. Steve.
Stay. Be careful. Be careful. And he's out, y'all. He's out. Yes. Papa Wheelie. That's what's up on this Wednesday, taking care of our students. They're back on campus. It is starting to rain out here. Yes, it is cold, but they're still at it getting it done. And you know what? We're also going to put a little link down below to let you know. Check out season 1 and see what you missed, okay? That's what's up on this Wednesday, season 2.